Hi, so this is the second video of our video series. In the previous video, we found out who is the top affiliate of the product we want to promote, and we also found the content he's using to promote that product. And in today's video, we are going to have a look at the pre-sale pages I have created myself to promote that product, and how we are going to set up how we are going to use these pre-sale pages to create a campaign inside Funnel Flux. So first, let me show you the pages for the pre-sale. So I will send traffic to this page that has a link to a second page in the funnel. The second page makes a little bit more pre-selling and has a link to a third page. And the third page comes in two variations. The first one has a link that will send people to the affiliate offer, while the second one has a two-step opt-in, and when we click on that button, we have to enter an email address to be able to be redirected to the affiliate offer. So if my pre-selling is good enough, I should have a few people sign up to my list in order to learn more about this program. And now let's have a look at how we set up these pages inside Funnel Flux. Before doing so, I have to briefly explain what is the difference between offers and lenders. Lenders are all pages that you want to use in your funnels for which you do not want or do not need to track the conversions. So our lenders here are those pages will be set up as lenders in Funnel Flux, while offers are any page that you want to use in your funnels for which you want to track the conversions. For example, affiliate offers or products that you are selling as a vendor, or opt-in pages, because you want to track how many people that come on your opt-in page will opt in to your email list. So it means that this page will be set up as an offer in Funnel Flux, while the other ones will be set up as lenders. So now that I have explained this, let's set up our lenders. So child read, pre-sale 1, save lender. The second one is here. New lender, child read, pre-sale 2. The third one, variation 1. Pre-sale 3. And the second variation, which is the opt-in page, will be set up as an offer. Opt-in child read. The payout is 0. The source my squeeze pages. And here it is. Now let's set up the affiliate offer. The payout is $41. You don't have to put an exact amount here. Don't need to put this exact amount, because first, this is an average dollar per sale. It's not the exact amount you are going to earn each time you are going to make a sale. And secondly, Funnel Flux is able to connect directly to your ClickBank account, and each time a sale will be made, ClickBank will inform your Funnel Flux installation about the exact amount of that sale, so your statistics will be accurate. Let's add tracking parameter in this URL. And now that we have set up our offers and lenders, we are able to create our campaign. In this campaign, we will have two offers. In today's video, I'm going to create only we'll have two funnels. In today's video, I'm going to create only one funnel, which is the pre-sale funnel, and I will also need later a funnel for my autoresponder series. So the pre-sale funnel will be like this. So the traffic will be sent to the page 1 that we have set up here. Once on page 1, if they click this button, they will be redirected to the page 2 or the pre-sale. On page 2, if they click this button, they are either redirected to this page or this one. So we will need here a rotator to be able to route the traffic to the correct pages. Pre-sale 3. And now let's add an offer. Child read is opt-in. The opt-in offer, and both of these pages, this one on a click on this link and this one on an opt-in here, will redirect to the ClickBank offer. And this page, which corrects this node which corresponds to this page, we want to track the conversions on it. We want to know what is the percentage of people subscribing to our list. So in other softwares, when you want to track the conversions, you are forced to place an opt-in a tracking pixel or a script on a thank you page to trigger the conversion in your tracker. In Flux, you also have this option, the option to place a conversion pixel on your thank you page, but you have a much easier option, which is to just say that this action is a conversion. So when people will be redirected to this ClickBank offer, they will be recorded as converted leads on this offer. And actually in other softwares you wouldn't be able to have this exact setup, because this ClickBank offer, you do not have any way to place a tracking script on it, because you do not own this page. So with other softwares you would be forced to create a thank you page where you would place your conversion pixel, and from that thank you page you would then have a link to redirect people to your the offer you promote. With Flux, you can just say that this action is a conversion, and when they will be redirected to the affiliate offer, they will be tracked as converted hits for this opt-in page. So now that we have created our funnel in Flux, we have an additional step. We need to edit those pages, because right now these buttons do not have any link set up on them. So if I click on them, I will not be redirected anywhere. And the link we need to place on these buttons is the link that Flux is going to give us here by right-clicking on the action on the actions you have set up. You have an option that is called Get Action URL, and you just have to copy it to the clipboard, and then you place this link on your button. Before doing so, I want to explain briefly something about actions here. As you see, I have set up here an action that is called on action 1, and here it is also action 1, as well as here and as well as here. You have different actions here that you can use on your nodes, but I would like you to know that nodes are contextual. So action 1 here is not the same as action 1 here. Action 1 here on this connection is action 1 from that node, while action 1 on this connection is action 1 from that node, and so on. Actions know where in the funnel they are called from. So even though this is the same action here and the same link, you see that here it is flux action equals 1, and here it is also flux action equals 1. If I would set up here action 2, now my URL here is action 2. But if I leave action 1, even though these URLs are exactly the same, they will not redirect to the same page when they are called from this node and when they are called from this node. So let's take this URL, and we're going to edit this page to place this link here. So I'm using a plugin in WordPress that is called Profit Builder, and that helps create pretty nice landing pages. I'm going to place this URL for this button, and since I'm using action 1 for all these connections, I'm going to do this. I'm going to keep the same link. I don't have to copy again from here and then copy again from here, because this is the same link. I just need to paste it on those buttons that create that redirect people to the different pages of my funnel. Okay, so this is done for the 3 pre-sale lenders, and for this page it is a little bit different because it is an opt-in form. So we will have to go right now. We are going to go to my Aweber account and see how to set up the opt-in form with the action URL. So I'm going to create a form for this children learning reading list that I have created. I don't need the name. I just want the email. And for the thank you page of this form, I want to redirect people to a custom URL, which is my action URL. Let's go to step 3 and install the form. Let's copy this. And inside Profit Builder, I will be able to add this form code here. And that's all. I just have to save now. And now the funnel is completely ready. So if I send traffic here, we will be able to travel this funnel, and the conversions will be tracked for the opt-ins, and the conversions will also be tracked for the sales from ClickBank. So let's have a quick look at this. Oh, I didn't save. Okay, so let's have a quick look to be sure that our funnel is working correctly. Child read, pre-sale funnel. Let's say that we're sending traffic from emails, for example. So I'm being redirected to the first page of the funnel. If I click here, I am being redirected to page 2, and here I will either be redirected to page 3, which is a lender, or page 3, which is the opt-in page. So I have been redirected to the lender. So if I click here, I will be sent to the affiliate offer, which is the case. And just to be sure that everything is set up correctly, I want to go on the order page, on the order form, and check that my affiliate ID is here. Yes, it is. And the tracking ID is also passed to the offer. So everything will be tracked correctly inside Funnel Flux. And now let's go back. Let's enter the funnel once again. I want to see if the opt-in page is working correctly. Okay, now this is the opt-in page. So if I enter my email address here, after subscribing, I should be redirected to the affiliate offer. So everything is working perfectly. I have registered to the email list and I have been redirected to the affiliate offer. So in the next video, we will see how to send real traffic to that funnel now that it is ready. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.